Hello everyone, welcome to my mini blog where we are traveling from Bangalore to Uti. But before that, we had a quick breakfast. The dosas were good. We had spotted, deers, elephants, and we also were lucky enough to spot a wild buffalo, and you can see the elephant crossing. So this is the famous oak tree that you can see that comes on the way. You can see this in most of the film shootings. One of which I know is Raz. So we stopped for a minute or two, clicked some good pictures, and again en route to Uti. The first day we kept it very, very light. It just were the scenes that we try to cover on the way. We want. यहाँ पे रखो. Route is nice, the roads, everything is really, really pretty. It was not chilly, it was like kind of okayish in the day. Best time May, June, July. There's no landslides, there's no rain kind of thing, so it's kind of misty. So this is the Airbnb which we stayed. It was amazingly good. In the evening, it gets a little bit chilly, but I think just few blankets would help. Comment, and I'm going to let you know where I've been staying. The first day that we have been staying, we wanted to have some good breakfast, but here the breakfast was not being served to outside people. It was being, but we had to go out to a different place. It was nice. The dosas were good. Again, comment down, and I'm going to let you know which place did we stop for the breakfast. And then we en route to the Dodebita peak. I think it's not what the hype. It was okayish, lot of traffic. Definitely the peak time that we have been there. It's just one place from where you can see the entire Ooty kind of a thing. It was nice. You can go ahead, but then you can find those spots more in other places also. So it was not worth the hype, but yes, you can go ahead and visit if you are there for the first time. It was pretty okayish. So this is the view that we have got. So once we covered the Doda Bita peak, we kind of went to the tea museum, kind of a tea estate kind of a thing. It was the tea factory and the chocolate factory together. So this is the view from there. We could see the entire process of how the tea is made, and trust me, the queue was huge. It took us around 15 to 20 minutes to cover the queue, but it was worth the visit. I mean, my parents loved it. They wanted to see how the tea is made, so it is kind of a experience. You see how the tea is made, and then you get to have the tea also. So it's kind of good, and it gives you, also shows you the history on how and what is the evolution of tea. So these are few of the snippets from the same place. Near the tea and chocolate factory, there was also this particular place where you can go ahead and try zip line and everything. That's called as Eagle's Dead Ooty. So that's just besides it, so you can plan your day accordingly. I was with my parents, so I did not want to go there, but if you have enough time, you can definitely go there. The next stop that we had was the Government Botanical Garden. So you can visit here by 2 3 ish kind of a thing, or maybe around 1 to 3. Probably you can take an hour. It's kind of a very nice place. You can see, you will have washrooms, you will have everything, so all the amenities are provided there. It is nice. You can see how the flowers, everything has been, decorated over there. We missed the flower show that happened 2 days back, but I think it was worth the visit even if there was nothing. So these are few of the snippets from that place. After this, we went to the Ooty Lake House. So this is the train that you'll be able to see. It's kind of a toy train. It'll just take like 10 minutes to and fro. And there are also some I mean, kind of playing zones over there where next day that we had to leave. We started with a breakfast, a quick breakfast, which was okayish in this restaurant. Honestly, if I have to rate it, went to Species of Spices where we found those goods, and these are few of the snippets on the way back to Bangalore. But just one message to everyone: do not litter in any of the places in India. It's so pretty. This is a snippet from the Paikra Falls ending, and thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope it helps for your trip next.